Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? This poem is called Break the Chains. Threads from the past anchored within me, pulled on my heartstrings, hindering my flight into the future that is different and bright. Locked up in the past, visions of golden handcuffs filled my mind. I saw them, I thanked them, and released them. Freedom rang in my freed spirit. I am free, I am free, free to ride off into the sunset, create new memories of choice, explore the adventures of a lifetime, a thread in time, a thread release. The chains are broken. Whoa, oh, yes, this poem was inspired by that feeling we have when you feel like you have invisible chains, something is holding you back, yet you know you have to be taking flight, doing bigger and better things. That's how this poem came into play, because those things that are holding us back, many of them are invisible. You almost can't touch them. But if given an opportunity and they raise up through from your subconscious to the conscious, then you start letting yourself go, breaking all the chains, and you take flight, and create new things based on, your new reality. As always, this is Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.